So we're at it again. Delivery. Now we're in the great Admiral Town. And my first time down here. I really don't know the place. I hope I'm not getting in trouble, so I'm gonna have to run. Anyway, we have Cornelia's I'm collecting for her today. I understand that she had a regular person for collect from me. So she can tell me some nice things. So you know everything about the business, right? I smell nice, see? She blush. I like it. I like it. So you want to tell us about the service? Come you understand that you're the boss. Service alright. See, you can't understand that. Service good.
Good.
Okay, that's all you want to tell me? Alright, let me ask you something where you know then.
Yeah.
What you can tell me about Admiral Town, my first time here? Admiral Bailey holding the place or what?
Oh, it's a nice place.
It's a nice place. So Admiral Bailey name of her?
No, Admiral Town at Johnstown.
Johnstown. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what go on around here though? It going good?
Nothing not going. Good.
See camera there. Oh, you like looking my eyes? She like looking at my eyes, you know. I like it. So, is he alone shop or your daughter alone shop? She make a shop on it sometime?
No,
She make a shop? Oh, so she shop for you too?
Me.
Oh, a good girl have.
Yeah.
A good girl have. Wonder if she can shop for me too?
Good daughter, me have.
She can shop for me too?
No, you have to shop for she.
Alright, I have to go shop for her. But when me shop for her, you gotta work with the same shipping services. She get it, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Smell nice. Anyway, I'm not getting a whole heap of trouble today. Place nice and quiet, I like it. How can I treat that? How can I treat that?
It's a thinking too, Chiggy.
Thinking. Whoa.
Thinking too.
Who remember thinking too?
What have it inside?
I go for one. I never ever eat thinking too. And it's for one reason why I never eat thinking too. Who know? Well, if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you. If you ever eat thinking too and get choked, the only way to choke yourself is to eat some egg. Phoebe, and I say nothing go so, I really don't. Watch out where you hide yourself for. What I hide for? Shy? So, because me don't want to eat none of the egg something, I never thinking to, oh, see one item. You thinking too. Honestly, it not stink. Well, and
And you break it, it stink.
when you break it, it stink. So why wanna bother eat it then?
It good. And it good for man.
Good for man, where do fair?
It good for the good.
Okay. So you need to give me 1 dozen then.
Yeah, if you want it.
No, hey, no.
At what on it?
So from as a child, me say if you eat thinking to and you get choked, you have to eat the egg something.
No, sir.
And
Nothing
nothing go so? So if I choke, what me do?
You're not going to choke.
You're not choke?
No.
Just drink water?
Yeah, not going to choke, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good, man. You just throw hot water on it
Uh-huh.
and squeeze it.
Mhm.
You can put Magnum
Mm-hmm.
and Dragon
Mm-hmm.
and milk.
Yeah.
Magnum,
Dragon and milk.
Yeah.
And that give me the
Right.
you hear that?
Sometimes you can use,
Thinking together.
you can use tambourine and thinking to and sweeten it with sugar.
Oh,
Have a
okay.
nice juice.
Okay.
It good. It good for
May I
you.
try one? Alright, may I try one and say me? May I try one? I am going to try one. So there you have it. Admiral Town said thinking to is the way to go to get there. Have a good one, and that is how we do it on the delivery trail.